Hello guys, I am Nilesh Joshi, Managing Director of Rangavishwa Enterprises. Welcome to TLC Expo 2026. We are manufacturing the customized keypad, that is called also graphic overlays or user interface. Here you can see the membrane switch keypad. Membrane switch keypad is a part जो फ्रंट में हर एक प्रोडक्ट के फ्रंट में होता है जहाँ से आप मशीन ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज आवर यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट इज दिस इज ऑल द कस्टमाइज प्रोडक्ट. वी कैन कस्टमाइज एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, as per your environment requirement, designing product. So this is all the very important and crucial part. This is also having the touch switches. This is having the capacitive kind of touch switches. This is also crucial part, and we can customize it as per your requirement. This is having the option of in the front side the acrylic or the glass kind of options. This is a cutting solution. This is the insulation part. This is the 3M VHB part. This is the we can cut as per the customer's drawing requirement and as per specification. The Rangavishwa is a company that engages in the manufacturing of the customized solution in user interface and kind of printed electronic products, specially designed for OEM. And we serve the segment like power electrical devices, medical and healthcare devices, and consumer appliances. From last 18 years, we provided the service in the Nashik, Satpur MIDC area.